How to send USDT from Phantom.wallet to Bybit 2025 updated tutorial. As for step 1, log into Bybit and get your USDT deposit address. Open the Bybit app or go to the Bybit website. Then log into your account. Tap Assets and select Deposit. Choose USDT as the token. After that, select the Solana SOL network, also called SPL, must match Phantom's network. And then just copy your USDT Solana SPL deposit address. For step 2, open Phantom Wallet. Launch your Phantom Wallet, mobile or browser. On the home screen, locate USDT in your token list. If not listed, you can manually add USDT SPL token via the token's mint address if needed. Then tap USDT, then tap Send. Moving to step 3, send USDT to Bybit. Paste your Bybit USDT SPL address from step 1. Then enter the amount of USDT you want to send. After that, review the network, it should say Solana SPL. And confirm and submit the transaction. And as for the last step, step 4, wait for confirmation. Solana network is fast, so the transfer should complete in less than 5 minutes. You can check the status on solscan.io using your wallet address or transaction ID. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something in this tutorial, but that was it then. See you again in the next video.